CoinDataFlow notes a possible 5.2% decline in Aave tomorrow. First up, here's what the price is showing at this moment. Aave has posted a gain of 0.9% over the past day and sits near $73.04. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. The price might reach $73.18 tomorrow, CoinLore says. That would be about 0.2% above current value. Aave could retreat to $72.72, according to Gulf Capital Collector, roughly 0.5% down. CoinPrice Forecast notes it may edge down to $71.66, marking a drop of 1.9%. Another forecast from CoinDataFlow indicates Aave could approach $69.25 on the way down, an expected loss of about 5.2%. And to end, 30 Rates believes the price could reach $68.88 by June 5, showing a 5.7% drop. This is the most profitable pick. Those are the expert forecasts. Let's turn the page. Now we move from forecasts to their expected performance. The forecast range now stands between a drop of 5.7% and a gain of 0.2%. The numbers make it clear that 30 Rates predicts the highest return with 5.7% surge in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could earn between $2 and $57 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 92.4% probability. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. The combined outlook positions Aave around $71.14. Alright, let's see what's inside. Consensus evaluation shows a 2.6% move down. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 2.6%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $26 gained. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 78.4% of taking shape. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. CoinLore sees Aave losing ground. A drop is also expected by Gulf Capital Collector, reinforcing the downside view. CoinPrice Forecast highlights a neutral short-term stance. CoinDataFlow points to a bearish path. The outlook from likewise 30 Rates shows the price drifting lower. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Aave on a bearish track. The 5 forecasts together show clear agreement on Aave trending weaker. In conclusion, most analysts expect Aave to move onto a downward track. 5 forecasts for the next day came out 2 days back. Now that it's passed, we know the outcome. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $74.43. In the end, 3 out of 5 got the direction right. If we focus on accuracy, the top spot goes to CoinLore. Let's move on to the breakdown. Out of all 5, a single prediction landed within the candle. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains, and Traders Union stood out with 3.9%. Up next is the recap table. A quick look at how all forecasts performed. Recorded values for Traders Union: 15.1% forecast probability, $2.90 accuracy, and 3.9% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Here's how Aave measures up against the forecasted gains for tomorrow across other cryptocurrencies. Aave doesn't take first place here since Bitcoin Cash leads with an expected gain of 6.1%. At this point, Aave is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If this helped you see Aave's outlook more clearly, please like the video before you go. Bye for now.